A miter saw is a great tool for cutting pieces to length, but it's also fantastic, of course, for cutting angles. You can cut two kinds of angles with a miter saw. A miter, which is an angled cut across the face of a board, or a bevel, which is an angled cut through the board's thickness. Cutting miters is easy. All you have to do is rotate the saw table. And miter saws have stops built in at common angles like 45 degrees. Cutting bevels can be a little harder. On most saws, you'll need to tilt the head over and then make your bevel cut. But if you're cutting a piece that's narrow, say 3 inches wide or less, you can actually turn the saw for a miter, stand the piece on edge, and cut your bevel that way. Either way, with a miter saw, you've got a great tool for cutting pieces to length and cutting angles.